Imagine stepping into your own personal sound bubble, where the world's distractions simply melt away. That's the bold promise of the Shure AONIC 215 wired sound isolating earbuds, and honestly, it delivers a truly impressive experience. In a world increasingly dominated by wireless audio, these earbuds remind us that sometimes a dedicated wired connection is exactly what you need for uncompromised sound. At its core, the AONIC 215 boasts a single vented balanced armature driver. Now, don't let the technical jargon scare you. What it means for your ears is striking full-range sound. We're talking clear, detailed audio across the entire frequency spectrum. It's that kind of accurate reproduction that truly reveals every nuance in your favorite tracks, letting you hear music exactly the way it was meant to be heard. The 17 ohms impedance also suggests they're easy to drive, meaning you'll get great sound even from your phone. Shure has crafted these with a compact, low-profile design, making them the smallest earphone in their AONIC line. This isn't just about aesthetics, it translates to all-day comfort without fatigue. Whether you're on a long commute, pushing through a workout, or just relaxing at home, their sleek, discreet shape fits securely, almost disappearing once they're in. The over-ear wire-form design keeps cables neatly out of the way, which is a small but significant detail for comfort and security. But where these truly shine is their sound isolating technology. They claim to block up to 37 dB of ambient noise, and from personal experience, it's incredibly effective. This isn't active noise cancellation. It's a perfect physical seal that keeps outside noise out, creating an immersive listening environment. It's perfect for travel, focused work, or just escaping the daily grind, allowing you to truly focus on your audio. The detachable cable is a smart move. It's a standard 3.5 communication cable, connecting directly to laptops, in-flight entertainment, and mobile devices, making them universally compatible. The integrated remote and mic are super handy for clear phone calls, plus easy control of volume, music playback, and even voice commands. And here's the cool part. With MMCX connectors, you can easily swap cables. Want to go wireless later? Shure offers accessories for that, making these earbuds surprisingly future-proof and versatile for specialized audio setups. The Shure AONIC 215 isn't just another pair of wired earbuds. It's a meticulously engineered audio tool that prioritizes pristine sound, exceptional comfort, and unparalleled noise isolation. For anyone seeking an immersive, high-fidelity listening experience without compromise, these are an outstanding choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.